Well, I've been laying here all night long, staring at the same spot on our bedroom wall. My head is hard, but my heart, it's getting harder. We need to let it go. We both know it's easier said than done, letting our anger die with the setting sun. Well, our heads are hard, but our hearts, they're getting harder. We need to let it go. It seems simple enough just to let you in, but back to back we fall asleep again. Well, I love you, but I don't like you right now. You play the victim, and your silence, it's beating me down. We're both guilty of sleeping around with a stranger. We're strangers in this house. I know you wouldn't dare try to change your mind, 'cause that shows weakness and it challenges your pride. Your head is hard, but your heart, it's getting hard. We need to let it go. Well, it seems simple enough just to let you in, but back to back we fall asleep again and again. I love you, but I don't like you right now. You play the victim, your silence is beating me down. But we're both guilty of sleeping around with a stranger. I'm not gonna let you go. No, I ain't giving up that easy. I'd be a fool to think the grass is greener. Someone else could please me. You deserve the best, but so do I. Let's not waste another night being strangers, no. 'Cause I love you, but I don't like you right now. You play the victim, your silence is beating me down. We're both guilty, oh, sleeping around with a stranger. We're strangers in this house.